My name is Leilani Rangel. I'm a managing editor with SHPE Magazine. I have been in that role, or with the magazine, for the past 16 years. And we have been the official voice for the Society of Hispanic Professional Engineers. I have a very easy job because of what SHPE does. What members do is so inspiring. They touch people's lives, and I've just been a tool to help them communicate that internally with other members of the organization, sharing best practices, sharing their inspiring stories, but also to the community at large, how they're making an impact. Engineers change people's lives by what they do. And sometimes, whether it's because of our culture, because we're so busy, we have a hard time vocalizing that. We don't necessarily want to draw attention to ourselves. It's always easier when someone else does it for you. And so I've had the privilege of doing that, to draw attention to the members, the chapters that are impacting lives. And to have a small role in that is very satisfying. As Hispanic engineers, they're usually the only ones in class, the only Hispanic person in class. And sometimes it's really hard to find that internal drive to do it yourself. So when they're at SHPE, they're surrounded by people who've been there, who've done that, others who are in the same shoes, and there's strength in numbers, there's strength in familia. That's part of our culture. It drives us to go beyond what we think are our limitations, to see our potential, and to reach to that fullest degree. Over the past 16 years, I've seen student leaders who are now serving on the board of directors. They were students, now they're professionals. They're the distinguished leaders that they're looked up to in academia, they're looked up to in government and industry. And these students are here and they're saying, in a few years, that's going to be me. And I think that is what keeps them going. And just talking to students who were dragged to a chapter meeting by another student. They didn't want to go. Their friend paid their membership dues. But that was a turning point in their lives that kept them going to finish their degree. They went from being a low-performing student to being a great student and a leader. And it wouldn't be possible without SHPE. The results speak for themselves.